my channel, you guys. I am back and I'm so sorry. Didn't post a video since really long, but I wasn't feeling, I didn't had the energy, and I don't want to be fake, and I just want to enjoy what I do. So I'm feeling good, a little good today, and we are going to do Never Ever edition with my big sister yet best friend. Let's call her. Come now. Introduction you need. Her YouTube channel is gonna start soon.
Hi guys, please support her.
Yeah. You want to give her intro? Should I give you? She's Tuba. Her name is Tuba. And she's very nice, you guys.
I'm badass.
So let's start. Yeah?
And she's too.
Are you excited?
Yes.
First guest in our channel, you guys.
Yeah.
Okay. Never have I ever been on TV or radio or newspaper. You happy? I have been in newspaper, you guys. Like मेरा एक डांस था उसके लिए डांस पे फोटो आया था न्यूज़पेपर पे. Faked a sick. Never have I ever faked a sickness to miss out on school or work. Obviously, we all did it, na? You did.
No.
You did.
No.
Really?
No. I love school.
Even I loved school, but you never faked.
No. I always wanted to go to school.
Yeah. Yeah, man. You are really different then.
I was actually a bright student back then. But
Bright.
now life happened.
Corona has changed everything,
Yeah,
I guess.
so
I don't know how to study. Never have I ever insulted a teacher or a co-worker in front of them. Have you ever insulted a teacher?
I always respect people.
I have never insulted a teacher, but I didn't like a teacher, so I purposely, didn't wish her good morning anytime.
That is a different story, na? But
Insult, it's like insult only, like you are not respecting her.
yeah, kind of.
Kind of. But I didn't like that teacher at all, so I used to not wish her good morning, nothing I used to wish. Never have I ever given alcohol to someone underage. I was 12, when I was 12, I was drinking with a kid and we had this competition, who drinks fast. This beer only I drank, but that time I was a child.
So you knew it was a beer.
It was 12, so I didn't know what I was drinking. For me, it was a juice. But
Then what happened?
then what we drank the whole beer.
Then what happened with the aftermath of it?
Nothing happened. We
Nothing
drank.
happened.
It was a normal beer.
Okay.
Beer, not that heavy one.
Okay, I never had.
Yeah. You are very nice kid, man. Why am I insulting myself here? Never have I ever been told that I had bad breath. No. Never. But I knew I had a bad breath at some point, but nobody told me. Never have I ever had a bad fall because I was on my phone while walking.
Bad what?
Never have I ever had a bad fall because I was on my phone while walking.
No, that is embarrassing. No. Never
Embarrassing
happened. I'm never that much indulged in my phone, so never happened.
I think so. I don't know. हुआ होगा, I don't know.
You fair you don't remember that?
Like embarrassing thing तो बहुत हुआ है मेरे साथ.
But
बहुत
you
ज़्यादा
fell.
कुछ हुआ है.
You fell or not?
I don't remember that much. I think so. I would have. I don't know. Never have I ever dated someone younger than me. No.
No, I'm
We
kidding.
know the
No,
answer.
No. That's not true. No.
I'm so immature. If I date somebody younger than me, then it won't work for me. I am the most immature person here. Never have I ever cried in public because of a song.
Can you count theater in that?
No, theater is not. Theater is a thing.
People are present over there.
Yeah, it's a public place. Theater.
So while watching a movie and
I have
seeing a
cried.
song in that, I have
Cried. Even I have cried.
Okay.
I have cried like this also in public. Like there.
Without listening a song also.
Yeah, like there was some time, I couldn't control my tears.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that has happened to me also, but listening to a song particularly, no, not in public. But in theaters and
Yeah, even I have cried. Never have I ever called the wrong person but pretended I meant to call them.
I actually abstain from calling people. I prefer text. So yeah, I have texted someone else and I wanted to
I
text someone
rarely
else.
talk to people on call. If I'm talking to you on call, that means you are special as
Yeah,
hell.
same goes with me.
Yeah, because call me, I'm like so awkward, you know, ha.
Same.
The other person is silent. It's like so weird. I don't like calls. I'm a very much text person. I talk a lot on text. But yeah, if I call you, are special. Okay. Next question. Never have I ever. Never have I ever. Never have I ever. Never have I ever been awake for 24 hours. I have been awake for 48 hours straight. What? Like I was
That's
really
possible.
stressed. I was really stressed, so I couldn't sleep only for 2 days.
I have. For
Yeah.
24 hours I have.
For 40
Yeah,
hours. For
while chatting, God.
Yeah.
While
Never
watching a-
have I ever been dumped. No, I have never been dumped.
No one can dump me. Get that shit straight in your head.
I have never, I don't ask many people out. I don't know why. I don't ask. I rarely like people, first of all.
Yeah. I also don't socialize much with people.
I'm
Only with
an-
my people.
I'm an extrovert as hell. Like, I will talk to you a
But
lot.
then I'm very much specific with my people. I'm specific with the energy I want around me.
That's good, that's good. I am very much introvert. I'll talk to everybody, but it's about like asking you out, that I don't do that much. Never have I ever, never have I ever been on a blind date. That's interesting, na? Sounds interesting, na? Somebody DM, I want to go on a blind date.
That seems more dangerous to me.
Oh, you're taking it that way. I want to go, but sounds interesting for me. Like, what if somebody surprised you and like,
But like
it's
through online,
no, not online. No, not online.
that seems a bit dangerous.
I've never
Awkward.
been to date. Have you ever been to date?
No.
Who knows? I don't know, never. Never have I ever cried for no legit reason.
I cry. I just cry.
I only cry, whether it's a reason or not. There is some, girls can relate, I guess. Girls are very sensitive.
No,
according-
but they're strong
Not all,
also.
they're
And
very strong. I am
crying
very
isn't
strong.
something a weak action or something. No, it's natural. It's
Yeah,
natural.
and if something affects me, I'll just start crying in my own. I need time. I take my own time. I need space. I cry a lot, and then out of 30 minutes, I'm like, get back.
Yeah.
Crying helps,
Yeah.
na? Crying helps.
Crying heals also.
Crying heals a lot.
And if you're crying, then you shouldn't be just crying. You should have that courage to
Get up.
and
That's where you
do
stand
it.
strong.
Yeah.
That's where you stand strong. Never have I ever had braces. You have had
No.
braces? Even I did.
God,
Thank God.
Thank God.
Thank God.
I have a perfect set of teeth.
Not me. I need to fix, but it's fine. We all cannot be perfect.
You judge, you guys.
Never have I ever used a fake ID.
Yes.
Obviously, guys, I have
But you
done
stalk
it.
someone?
And
No.
don't even come to
Not.
me. I have been caught. The person I was talking,
Oh.
that person caught me. That is my ID. That was so sad.
Never got caught.
So please be smart.
Experts in that.
Please
But
teach
you
me.
did that to stalk someone.
Then why do we need that? Why do we make a fake ID?
I actually made it just for fun because I wasn't having an Instagram that time. Actually, it wasn't allowed at my place to have an Instagram. So I was just using to know what is happening in the world and
I
Celebrities,
used to
pages
stalk
and all.
somebody, and it just messed up. That person got to know that it's me, and the level of
why to
embarrassment.
take that much of effort for someone? No.
Okay, she's matured, guys. She's an adult. I'm a teen. still I'm learning, and I'm not shocking anybody. That's a very old thing, by the way. Yeah? I'm not shocking anybody. Okay.
We all were like that.
Yeah, we all. It's all a process, guys. Don't don't stress that much. It's fine. Next question is. Never have I ever stolen something.
Not on purpose, like a kid.
Yeah,
When I was
even
a kid.
Yeah.
Nothing major.
I not even me. First I used to like take money from my
No,
mom.
I haven't seen one.
Used to
haven't
steal.
stole.
Yeah, I used to steal money from my mom, like 5 rupees, 10 rupees sometimes. And then later one day what happened, one day my mom is like you know what, like she trusted me a lot. Like she used to say that nay, she didn't take money. So that opened my eyes. I don't know. No, wait, we cut this. Then next question. Never have I ever sang in the shower.
Yes,
We all
every
have.
single time. Yes.
You're a bathroom singer then.
Yes.
Your voice is nice. You want to sing for my audience?
No, it
Please.
is not that nice.
You want me to sing?
Let's keep it
You
in
want
the
me to sing?
bathroom.
You want me to sing?
Yeah, sure. It's your channel.
You want me to sing, guys? If you want me to sing now, like I'll sing 3-4 lines. My voice is, I don't know. My voice is thoda good, okay? If you want to listen, then comment green hearts. Comment green hearts. If you want to,
I'm
if you want,
green too.
yeah. So if you want me to sing, comment down green heart. Then I will sing for you all. And that's enough, right? That's enough for today. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, it was fun talking to her, and she's really nice, you guys. Her channel will when is the channel coming? Tell them.
Within some months, definitely.
She's
Or now, you don't know. Right after this video, you don't know.
okay then.
I'm very much unpredictable, so yeah.
Yeah, but she's very cool, yeah, and she's like
I'm
always
very
there
much
for me.
sweet also.
Yeah.
You can mention that.
She's sweet, she's kind, she's perfect, she's pretty. Okay.
And hot.
And hot, yeah.
Yes.
You boy, okay, now you do give me some compliments now.
She's really sweet. When I say this, I really mean it. She's really sweet, and she's really outgoing, and she always wanted to make a YouTube channel. So
Yeah,
guys,
and
please
please
support her
Yeah.
and motivate her to make new videos. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching till here. I hope you enjoyed, and if you want anything more challenges or
If you guys
anything with
want
her,
a part 2,
yeah, if you want a part 2, comment down saying that you want a part 2.
and if you guys really want me to make my YouTube channel ASAP, then let me know in the comment section.
I'll link your Insta ID here.
Yes.
You can follow her. We made so many reels today. You can check out. Okay.
Yes.
Anyways, bye bye. I love you.